Hello friends, I am Santosh Shakya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Today's my topic is function. Function. Objective, we recognize whether a relation is a function or not. Okay, let's continue. What is function? What is the definition of function? A function is a special type relation in which each element of the domain is paired with exactly one element in the range. Okay. Furthermore, a set of ordered pair is a function if no two ordered pair have equal abscissa. Okay. It means if we take a pair, example x and y, x is called domain, y is called range, and the collection of this domain and range is called function. Different types of function are available in the discrete structure theory. First one is one-to-one correspondence. It means one-to-one function. We take one example, a set -3, 1, 0, 2 and 2, 4. These are the element of this set. For example, we suppose x, this function is x. -3, 0 and 2. These are the value of x. Then we denoted in domain because these are represent the coordinate first. Then second values are 1, 2 and 4. These are the range, and the collection of these values are function, and we connect domain element to the range element one by one. It means -3 connect by 1, 0 connect by 2 and 2 connected by 4. We take next example, -1, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5. Many to one example. It means two domain element can connect single range element. For example, -1 is connected to 5, 1 is connected to 3 and 4 is also connected to 5. That is 1 to 1, not 1 to 1, because -1 and 4 both are connected to a single element, that is called 5. This is many to one correspondence. Next one is one to many. Next example, set are 5, 6, -3, 0, 1, 1 and -3, 6. In the domain example, 5, -3, 1, -3. -3 comes one time, only one time we take one element. -5 connected to 6, -3 connected to 6, -3 connected to 1, 1 connected to 1. -3 connect two element 6 and 0. That is why we called this function is one to many correspondence, but it is not a function. State diagram. Domain and range represent the relation is -4, 3, -1, 2, 0, -4, 2, 3, 3, -3. The domain is -4, -1, 0, 2 and 3. According to this example, the range is -4, -3, -2 and 3, because these are the values of y coordinate and the domain is x coordinate. Function and not function. We decide according to given values or set of values. For example, in a function range 4, 12, 5 connected to 15, 6 connected to 18, 7 connected to 21, 8 connected to 24. Not a function. 4 connected to 12, 4 connected to 15. Here 4 connected two element 12 and 15. Then this is not a function. 5 connected to 80 and 5 connected to 21. Then this is also not a function. According to this definition or function definition, function 10 connected to 2, 3 connected to 3, 4 connected to 8, 7 connected to 4, 5 connected to 8. This is a function because two element present in domain field connect single element present on range, but this is not possible in not a function. 10 connected to 2, 3 connected to 3, 5 connected to 4, 5 connected to 7, then this is not a function. Again example, 3 connected to -3, -2 connected to -6, -1 connected to 0, 0 connected to 50, and 1 connected to 1. That is function because one single element connected to single other element. Not a function. 1 connected to -0 and 15, then this is not a function. Again we take values according to values x and y. 1 2 x coordinate 1 2 3 4 5 6, y 2 4 6 8 10 12. That is function because every element connected to different element, but not a function field. X coordinate 1 2 1 3 4 5, 1 connected to y coordinate 2 4 5 8 4 10, 1 connected to 2, again 1 connected to 5. That is not a function. Again next element. Thank you very much.